Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so tracking works reliably. Make sure your phone or tracker is charged and online, install the recommended app and sign in. Once done, allow precise location and background app permissions so the device reports continuously. Next, pair the tracker to the app, follow on-screen prompts to scan a QR or enter an ID. These first steps let the system collect coordinates. Without them, you can't proceed to setup or testing. Now configure how the system records and reports location. You choose an update interval. Shorter intervals give fresher data but cost battery. Once chosen, define geofences and label them so alerts trigger meaningfully, for example, home or work. Then set accuracy preferences. High accuracy uses GPS more, balanced conserves battery. Also configure sharing and privacy. Decide who sees the trace and for how long. These middle steps tune performance and ensure the tracker behaves for your use case. To finish, validate the setup with a live run. Move along a short route and confirm the path and timestamps match reality. Review history logs and enable automatic backups or exports so you never lose data. For ongoing maintenance, update firmware and app regularly. If tracking fails, first verify location and network access, then reboot the tracker and app. Next, recalibrate sensors or repair the device. If nothing works, test the SIM or Wi-Fi. Connectivity problems are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.